Distinguished faculty members of the SGT University, dear students, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a proud privilege for me to share the dais with the distinguished persons sitting here who are well versed with the subject. So far as this particular topic is concerned, I think Mr. Manish Chibber has already set the stage rolling, as has been rightly pointed out, and he has raised a very valid issue. But here, because most of the participants are from the university and they are students, all of us know that Collegium system was never conceived either by the constitution framers or by the constitution itself. It has come to us through a judge-made law, and it is in existence now for how many years? So it has already become a part of system because of the judgment of the Supreme Court. And had the government any intention of reversing it, probably it would have been done. An attempt was made. A very, bold attempt was made where all the parliamentarian, without any dissent, agreed that there should be an appointment, National Judicial Appointment Commission. But the judiciary, because it ultimately interprets the constitution and the law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all authorities within the country, the law was struck down as unconstitutional, saying that it will take away the independence of judiciary. Mr. Manish Chibber has raised many points. They are all valid, and I think they need to be deliberated. Now, once we are talking of independence of the judiciary, if instead of appointments being made by the Collegium, if the appointments are made by an appointment commission, where you have a representative of the executive and two eminent persons, of course, I go back to the NJAC, where say that the two eminent persons will be appointed by a committee. And what is that committee? Committee consists of the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the leader of opposition. If these three persons are sitting and appointing the two eminent persons as members of that committee, will they pick up any Tom, Dick and Harry to be an eminent person? Idea is, when this was conceived, that you must have faith in the decision to be taken by the authorities, by the constitutional authorities who have been given this power. And if such a committee is sitting and making selection of judges, will it really take away the independence of judiciary? And again, I'm coming back to the same point. What exactly we mean by the independence of judiciary? Simply because there is a person from the executive who is in the selection committee doesn't mean that you are taking away the independence of the judiciary simply because appointment is being made, or you are talking of independence of the judiciary in the discharge of its function after the appointment is made.